Good afternoon, students. This is the first ever live interaction with you in this new academic session 2020-21. After you must be eagerly waiting for your final examination results, but don't worry, all of you will through to the class 8. So rest assured, but due to this coronavirus infection in every corner of the country, we are forced to have a lockdown, so your session couldn't start from the April 1st, and for hopefully from after the April, in the month of mid of the April it will start. But to cover up with the session which we have lost during we are starting our lessons, the first lesson of English is from the prose. That is, the our first chapter is the best Christmas present in the world. It's from the NCRT book. All those who have not purchased the books or have not, say, procured it from your any senior students or any other allies, don't be disheartened. Go to the NCRT website and you can directly download the lesson. So without wasting any more time, let's start. It's the best Christmas present in the world, the first lesson. In this lesson, basically, it is a story of a old couple, and old couple in which the male member is on a is for a war with the Germans. He's from it's a story of the British England, and he's fighting from the British side with Germans, and his wife, who is all alone in the house, all alone back at home, is waiting for her husband since long time. But what happened? Did her husband returned or not? That is a that part of the story which I will convey, which I will discuss with you, explain with you as the story progresses. So in this story, one thing is important is that it's shown the dedication, shown the love, it shows the affection of a wife for her husband. In this, let's start the story. It's about the in this story, basically the author or the narrator is describing the events what has happened. The narrator has a habit of purchasing the old things. In the course of that, he found one old roll top decks which is a junk shop. Junk shop is a shop which actually where the old items are sold, or which is the items which we dispose of from houses are purchased by them and they are resold it. So the narrator comes across a shop, junk shop, where he finds a suitable roll top desk which have got the drawers, and but gets that item in a very at a very cheap price. So he decides to purchase it. But in that roll top desk, it was made of a good quality oak wood. Good quality oak wood is a wood which is basically used for making the furnitures, and but in that disadvantage of that roll top, that's why it's broken many pieces, and somewhere it was showing signs of burning signs. It was old, it has got burnt. The black spots were there. Anyway, he purchases that and he brings it to this house, and as he tries to repair it, and he opens the drawers over there, he finds that a secret in one of the drawers, a secret outlet is there. And when he opens that secret outlet, he finds a small box in it, and in that small box what he finds, that on the top of the small black box, it is written the address from where he recognizes, where he finds that is there's a roll tax tag belongs to Mrs. Macpherson. It was written, and his address was written, that where they that Mrs. Macpherson lived. And on that, it was written that on one thing was written, it was Jimmy's last letter, Jam's letter. From that, the author came to know that it was the author's that lady's husband name was Jim Macpherson, and this letter, which has received the letter, it was on 25th January 1915. But author was and it was written in a very shaky handwriting. That means the one who has written this address and all that, that lady, that person might be very old, because as he grow old, the hands get shaky. Nextly, finally, he, without of curiosity, but he was of man of principle, he didn't want to uh, open any other person's belongings, but out of curiosity he opened the box, then found that one letter was there. It was letter addressed to Mrs. Macpherson, and it was letter written on 26 December 1914. That means it was a day after the Christmas which was written. And what was written in that? The letter was written by a husband to his wife, and who was away on war against the later it came to know that he was he was fighting for the England side against the Germans. The next part we will carry it next.